stocks are down, guys. As you're able to see, Google stock is down to just $178 from a high of about $207, and Micron is down to just 93, and it had touched roughly $107 in the past, around 18th of February. It had hit $107, and it is now available to us at just 93. I have also made videos about these on my channel. You can visit them. And I told in this video about Micron's analysis that you can buy Micron at a price below 95, or even 95 is good. So I've personally sold a lot of puts of $95, which are going to be expiring in a couple of weeks. And I'm going to even double down on my position even at this price. I absolutely am bullish on the stock. It has dropped a lot from its 52-week high. It's like making 50% gains if it again hits that particular price. You can see we'll be making like 60 to 70%. If the stock again hits its 52-week high, then that would be a really good case. Talking about Nvidia has its earnings that are going to be published on 26th of February, and we are able to see that I have published a video on Nvidia as well, and I have told folks that you should not buy Nvidia at current prices, and Nvidia is going to be good at about $120. So I have sold puts of $120. Market has a tendency to find a fault in the earnings, and then the stock declines as the earnings are published. So it is kind of predictable. Obviously, I'm not fully sure, but it is something that I can bet on, that Nvidia will fall after the earnings. I'm not shorting the stock. I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for a better price to buy Nvidia at, because I'm not a trader. I am somebody who is a little bit of an aggressive investor. So I make momentum invests and even long-term invests, but I don't trade or like buy naked calls or puts. I always do options with cash secured puts, or maybe selling covered calls. Nothing except that. So with that said, we now can say that Nvidia will fall after the earnings, and it is kind of predictable as well. So you can sit on cash until the earnings are published, and after that you can decide whether the price is good enough for you to buy at. So that is what we have on Nvidia at this point. We have discussed about Micron, that it is very close to its lower Bollinger Band, and you can buy Micron at these current prices as well, because I am super bullish, and it is basically buying a very cheap stock, because it had a 52-week high of 157, and it's now trading at just 93, and you can see it's a range bound stock as well from the past I guess 5 to 6 months, because whenever it hits the $90 level, it then pumps up a little bit, and then it again drops and pumps, and again drops and pumps. So it's kind of range bound stock, and many short-term traders or maybe momentum investors like me are capitalizing on these ups and downs of the stock. So I can suggest you that if you're looking for a short-term investment, then you can take a bet on Micron 100%. You can buy it at current prices, and just do your own due diligence, and if you are comfortable, then surely buy at current prices, because the stock has a tendency to now hit about $105, which will yield you phenomenal returns in a very short amount of time. So that is commendable. Talking about Google, I will add on to my positions in Google, because it is very cheap right now, and Google is a company that will provide me somewhat guaranteed and stable. It is not a very volatile stock as well for even long term. So that was my take on the stock market as of today. And if you want more videos on any particular stock, just comment it down in the comment section, and I will definitely post something on that. And consider subscribing, as we will be bringing more of such content. And this is a no BS video. We are trying to bring out raw content as much as possible. So if you got something valuable out of this video, then consider subscribing to our channel Lazy Investing, as you will witness more of such content. And thank you for watching.